Hello everyone, this is Amir from Chemistry. Today I'll show how to remove your payment option from Google Play Store, because this can be sometimes dangerous. If you have a child, he can pay something, so it will be a loss for you. So we'll go to Google Play Store first. You have to log in. If you are not in, then you have to go to your profile. From here we'll go to payments and subscription. Then we'll go to payment method. Here is a number of debit card or credit card, just you input earlier. I have this one, and from here we'll go to more payment setting. So this is our final step. From here you can remove your debit card or credit card. Just remove, you just confirm, remove. So you have successfully removed your credit card. So by this way you can remove your payment option from Google Play Store. Thank you for watching. See you next time.